Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about sequential flow. In Python, code statements are executed in sequential order by default. Let us go through a flowchart which demonstrates how sequential flow happens in a program containing three statements. The flow begins when the program is started or executed. Next, the first statement is executed, followed by the execution of the second statement, followed by the execution of the third statement, post which, as there are no more statements, the execution stops. Let us go through an example code which has sequential execution. In this code, A is assigned the value 2 and B is assigned the value 3. Now, C is calculated by multiplying A and B. Finally, the value of C is displayed as output. The execution of this code can be represented in the form of a flowchart. The flow begins when the program is started or executed. Next, A is assigned the value 2. Next, B is assigned the value 3, followed by C, which is computed as A into B, followed by the execution of the print function. As there are no more statements, the code execution stops.